Hi everyone, welcome to Glorious Learning. Today we discuss a complaint management system. Let's talk about the complaint management system.
Effective complaint handling is crucial for any organization looking to optimize operations and boost customer satisfaction. Our complaint management system streamlines stock tracking and simplifies the complaint process. It features 7 essential modules: dashboard analytics, complaint registration, tracking, escalation and assignment, approvals, feedback and closure, and log detail. We utilize a modern, scalable technology stack to ensure high performance, security, and maintainability. With our system, handling complaints becomes seamless, enhancing your overall customer experience.
Presently, we have deployed Pakistan and number one CCTV service provider company. Now let's see the complete demo of the system. Give us your feedback by comment section.
Welcome to Complaint Management System. Please log in your credentials. Now we are back to our menu screen. This is the menu of system. First of all, we will register a new complaint. Now let us move on to the complaint registration model. Let's register the first complaint. First of all, we select the client. You can see that as we select a new client, his branch detail and branch code, country, region, province, customer name, and customer contact detail and industry automatically gets up. You just have to select the complaint type and service type. And please enter the email subject of the complaint now. Click on the Save button. This save message is displayed. Your complaint has been successfully saved.
Now, we will move on to our next module.
Complaint tracking module. Now we go to the complaint tracking module and check the complaint that we have just registered. In this complaint tracking module, we search by complaint number, or if we do not remember complaint number, we can check it by complaint status.
Complaint assignment and escalation. Now we go to the complaint assignment module and assign the technician. This is the complaint number which we have just registered right now, and click the Assign Complaint. You just have to select the technician name and select the priority level of complaint, high, medium, low, and select the current status of complaint. Assign the technician, date of visit, and enter the nature of issue. Now click on the Save button. The Save message is displayed. Your complaint has been successfully assigned to technician. Now we will move on to our next module, Complaint Handling and Approval. This is Complaint Approval and Review menu screen. Please select your complaint approval, complaint handling and approvals. First of all, enter the date on which the technician visited the client. Please select the technician assessment, faulty item detected, required new item, and enter the quantity of new and faulty item. Please enter faulty equipment detail, and please enter if any remarks. If there are no remarks, then skip it and move on. Before saving, please check once that the details you have entered are correct. Now click on the Save button. The Save message is displayed. Your complaint approval process has been established.
Now we will move on to our next module, Customer Request for Quotation. Now we go to the Customer Request for Quotation and click on the Customer Request Quotation button. Select the date, and please enter if any remarks. Now click on the Save button.
Now we will move on to our next module, Quotation Send by Representative. Select the date on which the representative sent you the quotation and please enter if any remarks. Now click on the Save button.
Now we will move on to our next module, Approval Confirmation from Client. Now we go to the Approval Confirmation from Client and click on the Approval Confirmation button. Select the date and please enter if any remarks. Now click on the Save button. Now we will move on to our next module, Equipment Dispatch. Now we go to the Equipment Dispatch and click on the Equipment Dispatch button. Select the date and please enter if any remarks. Now click on the Save button. Now we will move on to our next module, Equipment Received. Now we go to the Equipment Received and click on the Equipment Received button. Select the date and please enter if any remarks. Now click on the Save button.
Now we will move on to our next module, Customer Remarks. Now we go to the Customer Remarks and click on the Customer Remarks button.
Select the date and please enter if any remarks. Now click on the Save button.
Now we will move on to our next module, Complain, Feedback, and Closure.
Now, we go to the Complain, Feedback, and Closure module. Step 1. Please identify the root cause. Step 2. Please enter the corrective action plan. Now click on the Equipment Detail button.
You just have to select the equipment installed during service. Step 1. Select the model or brand. Step 2. Please enter the equipment serial number. Step 3. Please enter the quantity of equipment. Step 4. Select the condition of equipment. Step 5. Now click on the Save button.
Select the current status and assign the complaint close date. Select the Acknowledge by Client and enter the feedback ratings. Now click on the Save button.
Congratulations! The Complaint, Feedback, and Closure detail has been successfully saved. The complaint issue has been timely resolved. Good job, Technic and Engineer, and also good teamwork, Creative Security and IT Solution Team.
This is your complaint process cycle.
Now we will move on to our next module, Resolution and Corrective Action. Here you can get the details of the Resolution and Corrective Action module, the following. Complaint number. You can see the details of the complaint number which you last registered. You can see the complaint number, complaint registered date, corrective action, technician name, and complaint closed date. Now we will move on to our next module, Complaint Root Cause Analysis. Here you can get the details of the Complaint Root Cause Analysis module, the following. Complaint number. You can see the complaint number, complaint registered date, reported issue, root cause, corrective action, technician name, and resolution date. This module is very important of CEO, CFO, and other team members.
Now we will move on to our next module, Complaint Log Detail.
Now we go to the Complaint Log detail. Here you can get the details of the complaint log. You can see the details of the complaint number which you last registered.
All the details of the last complaint we registered are available here. You can see all the details.
Now we will move on to our next module, Complaint Clarification. Now we go to the Complaint Clarification. There is a Complaint Clarification module where you can enter the description of a new complaint.
Please enter the description now. Click on the Save button.
Now we go to the Service Clarification module.
There is a Service Clarification module where you can enter the description of a new complaint.
Please enter the description.
For example,
Installation and maintenance.
now click on the Save button. Now we go to the User Management module. There is a User Management module where you can enter the security password. Please enter the username and designation and contact number, and please select the role.
Now click on the Save button. New user has been created.
Now we will move on to our next module, Client Registration module.
There is a client registration module and select the country and city. Please enter the client name.
select the region and industry. Now click on the Save button. Now we go to the new equipment duxer.
where you can enter the equipment name and equipment model. Now click on the Save button.
Now we go to the Technician Registration. There is a Technician Registration module where you can enter the technician name and designation.
Please enter contact number and address. Now click on the Save button.
Now we go to the Add New City. You can select the country and enter the city name. Now click on the Save button. Now we go to the Add New Branch. You can select the client and enter the branch name and branch code. You can select the city and region and tax zone. Now click on the Save button.
Now we go to the dashboard. Here you can get the details of the all complaints.
Total complaint and open complaint and in progress complaint and closed complaint.
Now we go to the total complaint detail. Here you can get the details of the total complaints.
Now we go to the open complaint detail. Here you can get the details of the open complaints.
Now we go to the closed complaint detail. Here you can get the details of the closed complaints.
Now we go to the total new complaint received today. Here, you can get the details of the complaint.
Now we go to the complaint handle and close today. Here, you can get the details of the complaint.
Now, let us look at this pie chart. You can see in this pie chart that till now, the total complaint received for product type is 6. Total complaint for service type is 7, and total complaint for delay is 2. Now let us look at this pie chart. You can see in this pie chart that till now, the total complaint received for installation is 5. Total complaint for maintenance is 8, and total complaint for repair is 2. Now let us look at this pie chart. You can see in this pie chart that till now, the total complaint received today for product type is 1. Total complaint for service type is 1. And total complaint for delay is 0. Now let us look at this pie chart. You can see in this pie chart that till now, the total complaint received today for installation is 1. Total complaint for maintenance is 1. And total complaint for repair is 0.
There are many more charts in this dashboard in which you can get a lot of information and data. It's designed to resolve customer complaints efficiently. It ensures that complaints are handled systematically, improving service quality, customer satisfaction, and operational accountability.
This is the demo of Complaint Management System. This demo was designed to the glorious team, and there should be a lot of clapping for them.
Good job, glorious analytics team.
I am very grateful to all of you that you have seen the complete demo of the Complaint Management System. If you have any questions, you can ask us by messaging us in the comments section. Thank you very much.